Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Get Fit Mama with HARMAN. Today we're going to be talking about cardio, how important cardio is for fat loss. Cardiovascular exercises are also known as cardio or aerobic exercises, which are essential for good health. They help increase your heart rate, pumping your blood faster. This helps deliver more oxygen throughout your body, keeping your heart and your lungs healthy. Now, cardio exercises can definitely help you lose weight, sleep better, and keep you away from chronic diseases. But what if you don't feel like going out for a run, you don't feel like hitting the gym? There are plenty of cardio exercises that you can do at home, anytime, anywhere. So today I'm going to be showing you some very basic moves that you can do at home. If you're new to cardio, these moves are definitely sure to speed things up for you. So the first exercise that we're going to do is high knee. This involves running in a single spot, single place. So you can literally do this exercise anywhere with minimal space. Stand with your legs together and arms at your sides. Lift one knee towards your chest. Lower your legs and repeat the other knee. Continue alternating knees, pumping your arms up and down. Do 15 to 20 reps of this and 3 sets. So the next exercise that we're going to do is butt kicks. Butt kicks are opposite of high knee. So instead of lifting your knees up, you're going to lift your heels up towards your butts. So let's start. Stand with your legs together and arms at your sides. Bring one heel towards your butt. Lower your foot and repeat the other heel. Continue alternating your heels and pumping your arms. So the next exercise that we're going to do is speed skaters. This exercise mimics the movements of how skaters move. Start in a courtesy lunge. Both knees bend and your right leg diagonally behind you. Bend your right arm and straighten your left arm. Push off your left leg, moving your right leg forward. Bring your left leg diagonally behind you and switch arms. Continue skating left and right. You can do 10 to 12 reps of this. 3 sets. So the next exercise that we are going to do is standing oblique crunches. This cardio exercise is low impact and ideal for beginners. So when you take your knees up, you engage the core muscles on your sides. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on the back of your head, elbows pointing outwards. Bend to the right, moving your right elbow down and right knee up. Return to starting position, repeat on the left side. Now the next exercise that we're going to do is jumping jacks. For a full body workout, add in some jumping jacks. This classic move works your entire body, increasing your heart rate. Stand with your legs together and arms at your sides. Bend your knees slightly, jump and spread your legs wider than your shoulder width, lifting your arms overhead. Jump to the center and repeat. You could do 20 to 30 of jumping jacks and eventually go up to 50 or 80. So the last exercise that we're going to do is toe taps. This is an easy, low impact exercise that you can do at the last step of your staircase, or you could use a stepper like the one that I'm going to use right here. Stand in front of the crop or step. Rest one foot on top, toes facing down. Quickly switch legs to bring the other foot on top. Continue alternating feet. As you get used to the movement, move left or right while doing the toe taps. You can do 15 to 20 reps and 4 sets of this. So here I did with you some super simple basic cardio moves that you can literally do at home. You really don't have to get on the treadmill, you don't need a cycle, you don't need a Stairmaster. All you need is your body to move and get your heart rate up. So stay at home, stay safe. The next episode we are going to be discussing about how important cardio is with the combination of strength training, what strength training really is and why the combination works best when it comes to weight loss, and is something that you will definitely fall in love with just like me. So stay tuned, keep watching FitTap, and stay home, stay safe.